Iga here is the Polish distributor for SMEC. So Iga, can you tell me a little bit more about the Polish market at the moment?
Well, the Polish market is growing, but at the moment it's a little bit quiet, I must say. So we are observing that the last quarter and the beginning of the year was a little bit tough on the market. We are struggling a little bit also because we are very dependent on German market. And since the Germany is a little bit slow, Polish market is also a little bit slow. But we are really hoping for the best. We are looking bright in the future, and we hope that the last quarter and the beginning of the next year will be much better.
Industry and business is always cyclic, isn't it?
Yes, you're right.
Tell me a little bit more about what industries that you're serving then.
Mm-hmm. Previously it was mostly automotive, mostly. It is also a little bit IT, it's aerospace. But nowadays, of course, the defense industry is getting more and more critical, and we see it also in the Polish market that it's gaining a lot of attention. So I think that this and also a medical sector will be our, let's just say, main industries that we will be active in.
So can you tell me a little bit more about your business then?
Metal Team has been active on Polish market for 30 years right now. We are a distributor of SMEC machines for nearly 3 years right now. Also for Matsuura machines, Okamoto grinding machines, Brother tapping centers, and Citizen and Miyano machines.
Okay, and then with regards to SMEC, they're known for being heavy-duty machines, yes, but they're going into the higher performance machine tools, yes, too. So how does that suit your market?
It's a perfect product for the market, honestly. And we are getting more and more attention of customers in relation to SMEC machines because we've been told that they are very, very rigid. They also have a fantastic ratio of price to its quality. And I think the best thing I have heard from the customer today, who came to the booth, he said, "I came to buy another machine."
Oh, yes.
Yes. So I think this is the best thing that I could hear, not only today, but in general.
Yeah, and they've got their automation systems too,
yes,
so you've got choice.
Yes, and also we are standing in front of an automation that is our product, our own product. It's called Rexio. And it's adaptable to every machine that the customer may have. So,
okay. Well, thank you very much, and long may it continue. Thank you so much, Iga.
Thank you so much.